Jacob Jordaens' name was included in the list of masters of the Luke Guild of Antwerp in 1615 as a master of watercolours and cartoons. However, but within a few years he had become one of the city's most prominent painters, alongside Peter Paul Rubens and Anthony van Dyck, whose fame extended beyond the Netherlands and Flanders during his lifetime. Although Jordaens did not study in Rubens's workshop, the influence of his hometown's most famous artist on Jordaens was decisive in his development as an artist. In addition to Rubens's artistic example, Jordaens also learned how to organise a large workshop from Rubens, something which he sorely needed after Rubens died in 1640 and he started to receive large foreign orders. Through Rubens, Jordaens also learned about examples of Italian art, although he never travelled there himself. Jacob Jordaens, best known in art history as the painter of large-format figural compositions, created an intimate close-up portrait of the Holy Family when he first started working independently, but the young artist's work was still strongly influenced by Rubens. The composition of the painting is clearly based on Rubens's paintings of the Madonna and the Holy Family, completed during the same period. The early dating of the work is also confirmed by Joseph's face. Such flat and seemingly slightly diffused facial features are very characteristic of the artist's early works. In the Holy Family, Jordaens' characteristic ability to convey timeless themes is apparent, be it in mythological or religious compositions, simply and directly by using his own artistic techniques to depict simple folk types with seemingly unfinished brush strokes and the glow of warm light. The painting was bought for the museum in 1983 from Alar Milk, the heir of Jaak Kask. It was also exhibited in art exhibitions in Estonia in the 1930s.